Are you wondering where the fuse box is located in the 2023 Ford Maverick and how to understand its diagram? In this guide, we'll cover 2023 Ford Maverick location, provide a fuse diagram, and explain each fuse's role to help you troubleshoot and maintain your vehicle's electrical systems. Underhood fuse box. The 2023 Ford Maverick's underhood fuse box is located near the engine bay, providing protection for essential electrical systems. It houses fuses and relays that control key functions like the engine, air conditioning, headlights, and more. Each fuse and relay is labeled with a number corresponding to specific systems, making it easier to replace a faulty fuse. Body control module, fuse box. Body control module, BCM fuse box, in the 2023 Ford Maverick manages power distribution to various electrical components like lighting, radio, and windows. It protects these systems from overloads and short circuits while controlling features such as door locks and wipers. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on 2023 Ford Maverick fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.